Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 9. Let's see what the question states. A vector given as A vector is defined as alpha I cap plus 2j cap plus beta k cap, and alpha and beta belongs to R. That means alpha and beta belongs to real numbers and it lies in the plane of vectors, and B vector is given as I cap plus j cap, and C vector is defined as I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. If A vector bisects the angle between B and C vector, then we have been given four options to solve it. So the angle between bisectors of vectors B vector and C vector is given as A vector equal to lambda times B cap plus C cap, and which can be further expanded as lambda times into I cap plus J cap by root 2 and plus I cap minus J cap plus 4k cap by root 3. This transformed because B cap can be given as I cap plus J cap by root 2 and C cap can be given as I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap upon 3 root 2. So just simply put the values here and we reach this position in which the equation is transformed as lambda times 4I cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap by 3 root 2. Now we are just going to simply compare it with alpha I cap plus 2j cap plus beta k cap. That means 2 lambda by 3 root 2 is 2. That means 2 gets cancelled out and lambda comes out to be 3 root 2. And after putting the values, the A cap comes out to be 4I. A vector comes out to be 4I cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap. And the thing about this question is none of the options satisfy this equation. That's why it was given as a bonus.